morning, welcome to today's video. We're at Bicycle Richmond and I haven't seen him for ages. How are you, not so little man?
I don't know, things have changed.
You've grown about 2 foot since I last saw you.
Thank you. I don't ride anymore though.
You work in a bike shop but you don't ride bikes?
Well, I ride bikes to the cafe, but I don't ride to ride.
It's my kind of riding.
This is my bike.
And you?
You've got new fluff.
I know, man. Do you like it?
What is that?
That's what Lauren said yesterday. Do you think it's good?
Now look at this guy.
Alright.
Customers in the shop, you're so loud.
Are we loud?
Hey! Oh, he loves the
Hey! It's his favourite. It shows how much attention I pay. I didn't even realise we had a phone box outside here.
It's for calling up. Nah, let's just leave that.
But you got a lot of new stuff on your camera, Levi.
Yes, I do. Let me explain. I think I saw this rig on another camera, so I looked it up, and it's called. Well, the company is called Small Rig, and it has got like 100 threaded holes all over the
So
camera.
you can put handles and stuff on it.
Handles and grips and stuff, and this wood. Because who doesn't like a bit of wood? The gym.
Gold.
You don't you pronounce the D basically.
The gym.
Look, listen, hear this. So if you go to France, it's pronounced gym. Yeah. So you literally merge the D and the J, because like my name's not literally Jim, because I'm not actually like white like.
I'm confused.
No,
Levi.
like I'm North African white. Welcome to my shop. Meet my boss.
Welcome to your shop.
Yeah, he's actually not a dickhead, to be honest. Like, I was late today. He was alright.
Oh, get in the back, go on.
He was annoying when he worked at Pearson's, and he's still annoying now.
No, he's alright.
He's actually gone. He's
joking.
You playing Led Zeppelin?
We are playing.
You got a compliment for.
Dude, there's only ever good music in here, right? It's Zeppelin, Black Sabbath, Pink Floyd,
Oh yeah.
Hendrix. We haven't had Hendrix on yet, actually. You like Hendrix, don't you?
Customer. So because Levi owns a number 22 already, we thought it'd be nice to come in the shop, check out the rest of the range.
Yeah. So if you want a number 22 like mine, which shit all over Dan's stander in the video a few videos back.
It did. Yeah, actually.
Just saying. Come here and spend £3,500 on the frame set.
Why doesn't Jim have a shirt?
I do. I have a Castelli one, but I'm not a dickhead. I don't wear that. No, I like this shot. Don't get me wrong. I like this shot. This shot's wavy.
You know, we need
What does wavy mean?
We need one of those squirty water bottles, don't we? Just
Like where you-
squirt him like.
That's a strike to the head. Hey, Rice. Hey, Rice.
Hey, Rice, get back at it. Do the washing up.
Well dealt with.
Just shot her with a fucking dart.
Can everyone stop getting shot? Oh, you got the new one. The new Uber. It's titanium.
Titanium.
It's number 22.
We'll do it one evening.
Can we give you a bike fit?
Yeah.
What if you have a bike fit and then you realise your number 22 custom is the wrong size? Could you do a fit that makes sure it's not?
Because
It's not really how I roll though, is
No.
it? There's always something that can be done.
Yeah. James is going to get a new bike shop and we're going to film loads of really informative video. Oh, what have we done so far? We've made the jig as big as it will go.
Like,
Can you get on it?
of course I can't get on it. So, okay, so this is what most of my clients should feel like.
On a bike before they turn up.
Most people do when they turn up. I wish your camera could see your face.
So if you do want a professional level bike fit, Bicycle Richmond. Okay.
You're right,
Do you
man.
not want teas, coffees, water?
All of them?
Well, yeah, if you want all of them, then you get all of them.
No, alright, thanks, mate.
Oh,
Legend.
I'm playing it. I'm playing the game.
I don't have many brain cells.
Me. This is different to the one you had before.
Yeah, this is better. The one I had before was a tracked skin. There you go, and you end up with an edge that looks like that. This is a little bit more in depth than what I was using before. The red line's about, it determines how much, represents how much the pelvis is moving, but if the rider moves, even in the slightest, so it kind of gets out the saddle, readjusts and goes back into the saddle, it sends that out. So all the more reason not to be led by technology. You've got to,
Know what you're doing.
Yeah, it's a bit, you got.
It's sparkling water, by the way. I hope you drink that.
It's even better.
No.
It's literally James's fault. I don't know why he buys sparkling water. Like, that is so shit.
Everyone knows that I hate
Why would
sparkling
you ever
water.
buy sparkling water?
Guys, fan and team.
Leave it on, Andy.
I only understand
I-
60% of the words he says.
I don't know what I just said.
What does wavy mean? God, this is some next level team. Why are we dressed the same?
Because you're video vloggers, you all dress the same.
So from previous episodes and comments on my videos, I happen to know that people want to see a fixed gear bike fit. Does the fixed gear need some sort of special setup for like when you have to decelerate and that sort of thing? So hopefully we can cover that in a bike fit with Levi. Especially if you're going to race last man standing.
I'm going to win last man standing. Just saying that.
We've just had an idea for the shop. We want to know what bikes you want to see reviewed. We're going to get bikes delivered here, take it for a lap of the park, talk about how they ride. We can pretty much get anything we want as a demo.
Yeah, let us know. Bike shop Tuesdays. Right,
Never
Tuesdays.
shot on a Tuesday though.
Bike demo Tuesdays.
It's a bike fit chair. Look.
You can move them out as well. You can move them outwards, yeah.
No, adjust your reach. Yeah, adjust your reach, yeah. Have you got an arm length discrepancy?
Yes, I'm just going to...
Levi walking. Listen,
Why do you hire him?
what?
I didn't. I inherited
Let me
it.
just tell you this. When James was told that, oh yeah, there's a Saturday boy, he was like, oh, this is gonna be one of them like confused kids that like has no idea.
And he
but
was right.
He was quite. Oh.
Not too loud, because it's all standard. So we have really got to make the most of this weather. Last 3 or 4 days of sunshine, and it's going to get really cold and be cold for the rest of winter. It's insane how much the season has shifted, like genuinely 18 degrees today. This could be a summer's day. They've sunk, man. The guy is in the water fully. Why would you want to do that? You have never been to Sigma Sports.
I haven't.
Should we go?
Let's go.
Excuse me, I'd like a shit haircut, please. I thought my t-shirt was big when I put it on this morning.
This
But
is.
that's like...
Did you never see me and Toby go dress cycling?
No. Toby wears big clothes as well.
No, Toby just rides near me whilst I wear dresses on bikes.
Do you work here now as well?
Yeah. I've got 2 jobs now. One is cutting people's hair badly, and the other is making sure that Lucy does her job properly.
You're a supervisor.
Yeah, I'm Lucy's supervisor.
In your dress.
Yeah, I wear a dress to work.
It's like a...
It's 2018.
It's called it's Homer Simpson has one, a moo-moo.
Yeah, he's a moo-moo. Yeah.
Like,
Right,
But you
so
can just
hang
get
on,
that.
hang on. Because
Context.
If you really want, I'll explain to you what the black band means in certain. So if you show Francis,
I was lonely yesterday
Yeah.
by myself. I picked up a biro and biro.
Because you want a tattoo like that?
Possibly. Yeah.
do you want to know what it means?
Yes.
So in certain communities, a black band around the arm shows you exactly how far you have managed to put your arm inside another person. Not a band. It's a blackout. It's a blackout. It's not a band.
I'm sorry, it's just a really wide version of what this is.
I mean, it suggested that I just kept going deeper and deeper and deeper, and just had to keep adding to it.
Fancy seeing you here.
I've got a new gravel bike, Francis. It's got gravel tyres. It's got slight rise and bars, just like my Diverge. Plenty of grip,
Nice, it's got art,
Oh.
cling film.
clean
Yeah.
film, and permanent lights, front and back.
That is a cool piece of kit. Does it go a bit faster than your other gravel bike?
It depends.
Depends on the terrain.
Yeah, it's a lot less effort, I can tell you. It's a 1984 BMW R80, and then pull down every bolt. Engine back to factory, original wheel, upgraded brakes and electronics. Sunday afternoon bike on a Saturday.
I was like, Levi doesn't drink coffee. Do you have a cold chocolate item?
It's my favourite thing to drink.
What is it? Why do you not drink coffee?
I'm hyperactive enough as it is, and if I drank coffee, it would be the end of the world.
Is that why?
Yeah, that's
really
the main
a reason?
why. And I also just don't like hot beverages.
Why not?
Because they're hot. And you have to wait for them to cool down. Like, I want my beverage. I don't want to have to